vlog. So for today, we will be doing a science experiment, which is building a model heart. So what we'll be needing for our experiment are the following. So we need 3 bottles, 2 punched hole bottle caps, 4 bendy straws, 1 food coloring with the color red, scissors, masking tape, and lastly, clay. By the way, everyone, before doing a science experiment, it's important that we have any protective glasses. In my case, I also brought one, which is this. So please be reminded that when you're doing a science experiment, please wear your protective glasses.
On this next part, mix your water and food coloring to create your red blood. In this case, it should be mixed in a pitcher. But if you don't have one, you can directly mix it like what I did in the video. Remember that the exact amount of water is not that important.
So I hope you are still able to follow the steps to our experiment. But for the next step, we will be putting aside the 2 bottles with the red food coloring on our side, and now we will move on to the next part, which is putting holes in the bottle caps. For this one, I suggest you ask for your parents' permission or parents' guidance in creating the holes, because I swear it is not easy and you might hurt your hand. For this one, 1 bottle cap needs 2 holes and another needs 1 only. Remember that, 2 and 1. So now that we set aside the bottle cap and the bottle caps, now we will be moving on to the bendy straws. So what we will be doing with the bendy straws is that we will combine these 2 together. Wait a minute. Combine these 2 together. As you can see that. And let's do that as well to the other one. If you are going to find a hard time in combining the straws together, then ask for your parents' guidance to help you. Your parents' help. And then we will be needing the masking tape. Masking tape. Just cut a good amount of it. Then see that? Just tape the straws. So now I'm done putting the masking tape on the other straw. I will be putting another one. Now that we are done with the other steps in our experiment, it's time that we put a recycled paper bag in our desk, so that if there will be any spill of water, it will be able to prevent it. And let's put here in the middle or above the paper. So it's time to put the 2 bottle caps in the bottles. Remember, the 2 bottle cap holes should be put in the middle. Okay. In the middle. And 1 bottle cap hole should be put on the right, or on your view would be probably on the left. Reminder, 1 bottle should be empty, no water or no any food coloring water on it, and there should be no cap. So next part is that we will be putting the 2 straws inside the bottle caps, or inside the bottle. So 1 hole should be put. It's also a reminder that when you put the bottle, or when you punch inside the bottle cap, the straw should be able to go inside. So just if you're asking for your parents' permission to put a hole in it, just ask for them to that it should be that the straw should be able to enter inside the bottle cap. there you have it. Now we will be needing our clay. Okay. So we make use of these Play-Dohs or the clay as seal so that these bottles will be airtight. So let's just put another one in here. So if you're going to ask me, teacher, should I be using a different color of clay? Just use whatever color you want. Yeah, it would be perfectly fine. You just use this Play-Dohs to seal whatever it is, that no air shall be. So before we start, I just want you to be reminded that the first bottle represents the atrium, the second bottle represents the ventricle, and the third bottle represents the body. So using your fingers to pinch the straw, they act as valves controlling the blood flow. To pump blood into the body, pinch the straw, and then squeeze the ventricle. So I hope you enjoyed building a heart model with me today. What do you think of the activity? So that's it for now. Thank you for joining me in our experiment for today. It's teacher Therese. Bye!